Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Our first chapter was about myself. I hope that everyone understood the chapter and have done the assignment that I gave. Those who have not yet done, please follow the instructions and complete it as soon as possible. Children, please take a 4-line notebook and write the notes and homework in it. If you have any difficulty, please let me know. You can send me a message in Google Classroom or in my WhatsApp number. I will try to reply and try my best to answer your questions and clarify your doubts as soon as possible. So today we are moving to the next chapter. Our second chapter is about my body. Chapter 2. Chapter 2, my body. Chapter 2, my body. Before starting the chapter, we can go through a rhyme. Okay. It's very familiar to you all. Let's start. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes so blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Do you remember this song? You learned this in your KG section. This is all about our body parts.
Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, one more rhyme is there. That is 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Let's watch that video.
Listen to this one.
Little fingers and 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night.
That sounded very cute. And let's sing it for Mama as she's here.
10 little fingers and 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night.
Children, hope you enjoy the video. If you look in front of the mirror, you can see your body parts. Isn't it? If you look in front of the mirror, you can see your body parts. We can see our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, hair, isn't it? Head and all. Our body consists of many parts. They are called organs. Our body consists of many parts. They are called organs. See, eyes, ears, nose, tongue. Then this hands, fingers, legs. That means our body consists of many parts and they are called organs. Each organ has different names. Each organ has different names. You know the name here. This is our hand. You know this. You know this. Isn't it? So each organ has different names and each organ help us to do particular function. Our head has eyes, nose, ears, mouth and hair. The strands on our head are collectively called what? The strands on our head are collectively known as hair. The front portion of our head is called the front portion of our head is called face. You know, isn't it? The front portion of our head is called face. Children, everyone having a cute little face. Okay. Then organs. We have 5 sense 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 organs. That is sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell and sense of taste. The sensing organs associated with each sense send information to the brain to help us to perceive the world around us. Humans have 5 basic senses. Humans have 5 basic senses, that is sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell and sense of taste. The sensing organs associated with each sense send information to the brain to help us understand and perceive the world around us. The 5 sense organs are the eyes, nose. The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, then tongue and skin. The 5 sense organs are the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. The skin is found all over our body. The skin is found all over our body. Okay. Then, therefore, the 5 sense organs are the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Then, the function of the sense organs. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. Can you see this? What is this? This is a pen. This is a marker pen. You can see this, right? We can see this with our eyes. So we can see things around us with the help of our eyes. Okay. and we can smell and breathe through our nose. We can smell and breathe through our nose. Then ears. Ears. We can hear. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. If you close your ears, please close your ears with your hands. Can you hear anything? No, you can't hear. With the help of the ears, we can hear different sounds around us. Then, tongue. Tongue helps us to know the different taste like sweet, sour, bitter, salt and all. Tongue help us to know the different taste. Tongue help us to know the different taste, isn't it? Then about the skin. Skin help us to feel a thing. Skin help us to feel a thing, whether it is rough or smooth, hot or cold, isn't it? Skin help us to feel a thing, rough or smooth, then cold or hot. Here's a picture of a boy. Let's mark the different parts of our body. You know, here eyes, these are the eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and these are the hairs, okay? So, we'll mark this one, eyes, this one nose, this one ear, this is a mouth, this one hair. The strands on our head are collectively known as hair. Okay. Then inside the mouth, you know, the tongue and teeth are there. Okay. These all parts, that is eyes, nose, mouth, ear and hair, all are on the head. All those parts are on the head. So this portion is known as head. This portion, this total portion is known as head. Okay. And the front portion of our head is known as face. You know, the front portion of our head is known as face. Okay. So, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hair, these parts are on the head. And the front portion of the head is known as face. Okay. And the next portion here, from here down the neck to here is known as the trunk. And this portion, you know, this one is known as the neck. Here, this portion is known as the neck. Neck connects the head and the trunk. Neck connects the head and the trunk. Okay. Here, this portion below the neck to up to here is known as the trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. And the lower portion, leg. Okay, here you know legs, and here this one is the toes. This one is the toes. Here you know fingers. Okay, these two are the hands. So here we label the different parts of our body. Today we learn about my body, in that organs, then sense organs and the function of sense organs. So organs means our body consists of many parts. They are called organs, and each organs have different names, and each organ help us to do particular function. And about sense organs, human have 5 basic sense, that is sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell and sense of taste. And 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And we learn the function of the sense organs. Eyes help us to see things around us. Then nose help us to breathe and smell. Ears help us to hear different sounds around us. Then tongue help us to know different taste like sweet, sour, bitter, etc. And skin help us to feel a thing, whether it is rough or smooth, cold or hot. Okay children, so please learn up to this. Thank you.